Hello peoples, welcome back to another great Gtag modding video. Today I'll be showing you, yes you, how to make your own Gtag mod menu. Now, like this one right here. I made this for a thing using the II stupid template. So the only thing you'll need for this video is a laptop or a computer of some sort. Windows preferably. I don't know how to do anything on. I don't have Linux or whatever. And that's pretty much all you'll need. And you'll need Discord. Well, without further ado, let's go down with the video. Alright, guys. So you heard past me saying I'll teach you, yes you, how to make your own Gtag mod menu. Now, let's get on with it. So the first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go onto your own, you want to go onto whatever browser you use and type into the search bar Visual Studio. Don't do Visual Studio Code, just Visual Studio. And it should pop up with something like this. We need the IDE, so we click that. And you just want to click download Visual Studio, not Visual Studio Code. And then this will be downloaded. Alright, so now it's downloaded. We'll open up this. And as we can see, Visual Studio setup. So you'll run that. And it will pop up with something like, do you want to allow do you want to allow this device or app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. Okay. So it will load and it will pop up with something like this. And you just want to click continue, and then it will run this. So this is going to take a little bit, so let me break it down. Alright, so now it's done downloading and installing. So it is just getting it ready. Alright. So what will appear is something that looks like this. That will appear. And you'll see Visual Studio Community 2022. So you want to click modify. And I actually have to update it, but I won't. So what you will want to do is once you're on this page, you want to click .NET Desktop Development. Game development with Unity. And yeah, that's all you really need to press. Yeah, that's all you need to press. So yeah, .NET Desktop Development and Game Development with Unity. And then you want to click install while downloading, and then click install. Once that's finished installing, you can just close out of this. And what you want to do next, after it's all finished downloading and whatnot, you want to go to my Discord server, which is in link in the description, and you'll want to, once you're here, you'll want to scroll down until you see making mod menus, and you want to click template, and it'll bring you to this page. And what you want to do is you want to download this file here. Just download it. Yep, and you just click continue, and then it will download. And so then what you'll want to do is you want to go onto here, go onto your downloads, and get the one that you've downloaded and click extract all, and it will come up with and then you just click extract. I won't show it because it shows personal information and stuff. And then once it's finished, you'll see there's a folder named this but without the .zip, so you just open that, and then you'll open this folder, and then it'll come up with a page like this. Now this is very important. Don't click .sln. Click .cprog. Double click it, and because you downloaded Visual Studio, you'll be able to do this. So it'll pop up with something like this. This project was downloaded from the web. Just click trust and continue, and then it will pop up with something. It'll pop up all like this. Just wait for it to load for a little bit, and then boom. And then you should see something on the side here. If you don't, then you've done something wrong. So you want to open it like that, and you want to go open up dependencies and assemblies. Now you see there's a bunch of warning marks, which is that means that's not good. So you want to click OHarmony, scroll down until you see WebSocket Sharp. I'll just like enlarge that for you guys. And then you hold Shift, and then you click WebSocket Sharp, and then you right click, and then you click remove, and then you click OK. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to right click dependencies, click add project reference, and then click browse. And so if you don't know, so you'll want to scroll down if you're here and click Windows SSD. You want to click that, and it should pop up with something like this. And then you click Program Files x86. You scroll down till you see Steam. If this is for Steam, I don't know what it is for if you're using what is it? The one that's not Steam that you can run Gtag on. I'm not sure, but so you want to open Steam, and then you'll want to go down to Steam Apps. Then you want to click Common, and then you want to click Gorilla Tag. Then you want to click Gorilla Tag Data, and then Managed. I think how you pronounce it. Okay, then it will pop up with all this stuff. You need to click these exactly, otherwise it won't work. So you want to click Assembly C#. Scroll down until you see Photon. You want to, while holding Control, click Photon Real Time, Photon Unity Networking, and Photon Unity Networking.utilities. And then we scroll down a bit more until you see Technique Physics Creator. We want to click that, and then just a little bit below that you'll see unity.inputsystem.dll, unity.inputsystem.for UI. You want to click that as well. Make sure to click these all while holding Control, by the way. And then you want to scroll down a little bit until you see Unity Engine.dll. So while holding Control, click that. Unity Engine.core module, click that as well. And then you want to click what's it? You want to click input module.dll, and then and then that's all you need. And then you'll scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see a Unity Engine.ui.dll. You want to click that. Unity Engine .ui elements module. You want to click that, and Unity Engine.ui module. And then you want to just look up a little bit until it says text rendering module. You want to click that as well. And then that's everything. It should be everything, if I remember. And you want to click add. Then you want to click browse again. I know this is a lot, but you need to do this. And then you want to go back to Gorilla Tag, this folder, and you want to click Bepinex, and then call. And then you want to do this. Control A, and it should highlight everything. And then while holding Control, click OHarmony 20. It should be unhighlighted. And then you click Add. And then it should pop up with a lot of things here because we added a lot of things. And then you click OK. Now this is going to take a little bit, so let me break it down for you. once it's done, you should just have, under dependencies, you should have assemblies, and you should have all this under here. If you've done that, good job. You followed kind of far in. Now, this is the funner part. So now you get to do some stuff. So firstly, you want to do this one. You want to click that. Directory.build.props. Oh god, I cannot speak. Okay, then you'll see this. What you want to do is you want to go into your folder. Go back to where you were, where we are. So go to Windows SSD, click Steam, go to program files x86, Steam apps, common, and then click Gorilla Tag. And then it's basically whichever path is gorillatag.exe is in, which for me is this one. So I'm just gonna copy that, and then I'll highlight this, and then boom. So then once you've got that, make sure to go Control S. I'll make sure to save the page. I like clicking this little button up here, which is saves everything, just in case I forget to save other pages. Alright, now just a little bit more of this. Then what you want to do here is you'll just GUID this matters a little bit, so you just want to put your name. So in this I'm just going to put pancakes, and then you're just going to put the you can go tut menu. Don't actually put that, just put like, I don't know, whatever your menu, whatever you want to be called, like dot menu or something, I don't know. And then this is what will actually show up on the what will actually show up on the menu as the name of it. And basically you want to change this to whatever, so I'm just gonna go pancake tut menu. Probably a little bit too long, but I'll probably just get rid of this bit. So, and then description, I don't really know where this shows up, but just put this like, I like pancakes. I don't know what to put there, but yeah, put something in there. And then you've got the version, so I'll change that back to version 1.0.0. And basically, whenever you update the menu for like release or whatever, you'll change this up by 1 or by 2, by 3 or by 4. You get the message, and you can change it about or whatever. Alright, so now that's all the like boring kind of stuff out of the way. Now we get to code some mods, which is very good. So I'm just gonna open all of these up. Set those. So inside mods, you'll see if you open the mods folder, you'll see movement, and you'll have all of this stuff. Why does that have errors? Oh no, I forgot a very important part. Okay, so you'll want to go to add another project reference, click browse, and then you want to go back to here, back to Gorilla Tag. Gorilla Tag data managed, and you'll want to scroll down a bunch, basically to the bottom, and you'll scroll up a little bit if you go to the bottom, and you'll see, where is it? Unity engine.physics module. You want to, and then just click that and add. I forgot a very important part. You need to have that, otherwise most things won't work. Alright. Sorry guys, but there you go. So yeah. Brain blank. Alright, so you'll see that there are already some mods in here, and that's because this template comes with mods in it. But I'm pretty sure that platforms is a little bit broken, so maybe if you guys get this video to 10 likes, I will make I'll make a part 2 where I'll show you how to code like other mods and stuff and customize your menu. How about that? Well, anyways, I'm gonna show you how to code speed boost. I don't know why it's not in here, but alright. So what you want to do is you want to do this exactly. Public static void speed boost, and then you'll want to put 2 brackets like this, and then you'll hold shift and then click enter, and then it'll automatically do this. So that is the base of pretty much every single like mod you'll do. Like that's the first thing you'll always do. Like with every single like mod, how you start it is that. Like for everything you see public static void platforms, public static void fly. So you'll be starting it with that all the time. Alright, so what you'll want to do is you'll want to do gorilla. I don't remember how to do this. Gorilla locomotion dot gt player dot instance dot max jump speed, and then you'll click on your space, do an equals space, and you'll do say 3, and then you put an F, and then you put that. I'm gonna change this up to 5 actually. Alright, and then what you want to do is you'll basically do the same, but you'll do gorilla locomotion dot gt player dot instance dot this time I think it's jump multiplier, and then you put an equals, and then you put like a 3, you put an F, and then you put a semicolon, and then Shazam, you have created your first mod that's not already in the menu. So good job if you've came this far. This is through my bad teaching, you've managed to do this. Good job. Also, if you're struggling with like anything, or if anything like doesn't like work, or you have errors or anything, just put them down in the comments below, or in my in my Discord server. There's some forums where you can create a post saying I have an error, and yeah, I'll respond. So create a bunch of posts in there, or put them in the comments below, and I'll answer them hopefully. So yeah. Alright, back on with this. So now we've created our first mod. You'll want to go to in the menus folder, you want to click buttons, and then you'll want to scroll down, and this may look intimidating. Don't worry, it really isn't. It's just a bunch of copy paste. Oh my god, sorry. And then you'll want to go to movement mods, which should be the last one. And basically what you'll do is you see this fly thing, like this line right here where it says fly movement.fly. You want to just copy that, or Control C. You want to click enter at the end there, and you just want to paste it in. Alright, then what you want to do is you want to just put here speed boost, or whatever you named your mod. And then over here, this bit's a little bit important. So if you get it wrong, then it won't work. So you want to go to movement, back to movement, and you'll see whatever you put here. That is what you will put here. Movement.fly. You want to put here instead speed boost, or whatever you put in the as the name of the thing that or whatever. So, and then we'll just put this gives you speed speed boost. So yeah, that's basically how you create your first mod and you create your first Gorilla Tag mod menu. So yeah, good job. This might be a bit of a long video, but it takes a bit of time. It's not like an instant thing to create mod menus. If you get this video to 10 likes, I will show you how to make platforms, like fix the ones that are already in there. And how about no clip? How about I teach you how to do those two? Well, that's all from me today, or from this video. So I hope you like this video. If you get this video to 10 likes, I will make it part 2, which is very exciting. This method works since the 12th of October, and that might be ahead of time. I'm in Australia, I'm sorry. Well, like and subscribe, guys, and have a nice day, and have fun modding.